The basics of airs on quads.
If you're wondering how I do my airs, here's a couple tips. So basically when I'm in the transition skating fakie, I pump really low and push into it as I come up the transition on the other side where I'm going to air, and I go like that into it, you know, like push down into it. Squat down with your butt and then spring up and ride it all the way up, and don't come up and expand, like stay compact all the way through where you're going to air at the top of this. As you come up, keep compact, squatted down, ride it all the way up, and then bring your knees up. So you don't want to lift up until you're like actually about to launch, and think of yourself going straight up in the air. Just ride it all the way up and then bring your knees up at the last second and then let them come back down naturally. Roll out fakie. All right, now I'm going to show you how it looks in action.
Let's start with pumping fakie. Bend at the hips, keep your butt down and your knees bent, and keep your eyes forward and your body in a line. Roll backwards in a staggered stance, then squat down as you go back down the transition. As you skate backward, pump at the top by squatting down, and make sure you stay compact as you ride forward. Skating forward, bring your knees to your chest at the top to do the air. And coming back down, make sure you don't lean too far forward and keep your shoulders over your hips. The most important thing is just to bring your knees up and to ride the transition all the way up. Once you get one air, you can start doing variations. Have fun with it.